Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. I am Ms. Aksa, your computer teacher. Today we will learn about Unit 4 Microsoft Word. These are the topics we have to cover in this chapter. Introduction, how to start Microsoft Word, how to select and delete text, how to make undo changes, how to change size of text, how to change font, how to change text color, how to bold, italic, underline text, how to change case, how to highlight, how to align, how to save, how to close, how to open a document, how to apply text effect, and the last, how to change view screen. To understand this chapter, all of you have to open your computer reading book. Microsoft Word is a component of the Microsoft Office suite of productivity software. Or after you click the File tab, you can see the Microsoft Office Backstage view. If you need to create a new file, open an existing file, print, save, change options or more. Backstage is the place to do it. In short, it is everything you do to a file that you don't do in the file. अच्छा, हम माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड इसलिए यूज़ करते हैं क्योंकि हम इसके अंदर कोई न्यू फाइल बना सकें या एग्जिस्टिंग फाइल को ओपन कर सकें, सेव कर सकें, प्रिंट कर सकें, या चेंज ऑप्शंस भी हैं. ओके, दीज आर द एलिमेंट्स और नेम्स ऑफ द वर्ड विंडो. क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार, रिबन, ये पूरा जो टैब बना होता है इसको रिबन टैब्स कहते हैं. एंड दिस इज टाइटल बार, दिस इज कॉल्ड रिबन. Scroll bars, there are two scroll bars, up and left and right, up and down and left and right. This is insertion point, status bar, view buttons, and this is zoom slider. Okay students, now we will learn all the topics of Microsoft Word. First of all, how to open Microsoft Word. Click on the icon of Microsoft Word and then click on my blank document and your Microsoft Word has been opened. This is on page 17 and on page 18 we will learn how to select and delete text. All of you have to open your reading books. To understand how to select and delete text, you have to learn, first of all you have to learn how to type. I am typing I love my country. Okay student, now we will learn how to select and delete text. Select करने के लिए आपने माउस के लेफ्ट बटन को प्रेस करके ड्रैग करना है. आपका select text, आपका टेक्स्ट सेलेक्ट हो जाएगा. Now press delete key from your keyboard and your text has been deleted. If you want to take back your text, you have to see there are two twisted arrows. This is called undo and this is called redo. If you press undo button, then your text has been come back. अगर आप undo बटन को दबाएंगे तो आपका टेक्स्ट वापस आ जाएगा, और अगर आप इसको दोबारा वापस जाना चाहेंगे तो आप redo बटन को करेंगे तो आपका टेक्स्ट चला जाएगा. On page 22, you learn how to change size of text. To change the size of text, select the text and there is some font options. Click on the down arrow option and there are some fonts. You can press 18 or 20, whatever you want, and the size of your text has been changed now. Okay, now on page 23, open it and you learn how to change text color. To change the text color, you have to select the text. Again, press the left button of the mouse and drag it over the text, and this is with the size of font there is, and there are so many colors. You can select any one of your choice, and the color of your text has been changed now. Now on page 24, open your page 24, you learn how to bold, italic and underline the text. To do bold, italic and underline your text, you have to again select the text, and there are three options: bold, italic and underline. If you press the B, your text has been bold. You can see the text is bold now. Again select your text and press the italic. Italic means your writing will become slant, and this is italic text. And if you want to put an underline on the text, under the text, you have to press U, and your text has been underlined. Now open your page 25. You learn how to change case. For this purpose, first of all you have to select the text, and there is change case. There are cases: lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, or toggle case. You can press any one of your choice. I select and capitalize each word, and every word of my, every single letter of my sentence has been capital. If you want to undo your changes, you can press undo button. Now on page 26, you learn how to highlight the text. To highlight the text, first of all you have to select the text, and this is highlight option. You can highlight any one of color of your choice, and your text has been highlighted now. Now on page 27, you learn how to align text. अलाइन का मतलब होता है टेक्स्ट को सेंटर में रखना है, आपने आपका जो पैराग्राफ है उसको दरमियान में रखना है, राइट पे करना है, लेफ्ट में करना है, या जस्टिफाई। इसके लिए सबसे पहले आपको टेक्स्ट को सिलेक्ट करना है, एंड दिस इज अलाइनमेंट ऑप्शंस. यू कैन प्रेस, दिस इज जस्टिफाई, सेंटर, राइट, लेफ्ट. Now on page 28 and 29, you learn how to save your document. To save your document, you have to click on File. After it, you have to press Save As, and then move to Browse and write there any name of your choice. I am writing my first file 2, and then press save. You can see there is there is title of my first file 2, and after it this is saved. Now your document has been saved. If you want to close it, then don't press this icon. You have to press File, More, and then click Close, and your document has been closed. If you want to open your document again, on page 31 and 32, press on File, Open, Browse, and type my first file .2 on Browse option, and then open. Your saved file has appeared again. Now on page 32, you learn how to apply text effect. To apply text effect, you have to Select the text and then move to this option, text effects. Apply any one of text effect of your tag of your choice, and there is some changing on your text. If you want to change the screen view, you press zoom slider from the bottom of right bottom. You can see your text has been large. If you minimize it, then you press right side and your text has been minimized. Okay students, these are the all topics of Microsoft Word we have learned. I hope all of you are understand. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.